David Hinton, Brandon, Mississippi, back with you again. So today I'm going to be talking about the book Mastering the Art of Selling by Tom Hopkins. I think you'll find it very helpful indeed in your profession. By the way, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell. That way you'll know when my videos come out. Also, if you find the content interesting or you have questions, be sure to comment, like, all that, and all that fun stuff, right? So, you got into a network marketing company and someone told you that that there's no selling in network marketing, that it's just about sharing your opportunity. May I very gently tell you that I believe that that is a big old pile of horse manure. No selling, right? Well, you know, what's another name for the industry of network marketing? It's called the direct selling industry. Direct sales. It's not called the direct sharing industry. I mean, I know, you know, for a lot of people, the term selling has got a negative connotation, and that it's something that we avoid. Nobody wants to be sold anything and all that. But in all honesty, selling is a very honorable profession, and without us, people like you and me, selling the products and services that are the underpinning of our society, where would we be? It'd be, all the manufacturing plants would shut down. Nothing would happen, right? So just as Eric Worre has written one of the most referenced books in direct selling, network marketing, Go Pro, at the basis of all of this is selling. And I'd like to recommend to you the book, How to Master the Art of Selling by Tom Hopkins. Tom Hopkins, if you're not familiar with him, he is widely recognized as one of the greatest sales trainers in American business history. And he's done seminars for 40 years, and the guy is just dynamite. Anyway, I'm going to spend some time with this book and relay some of my findings to it. Anyway, he said, one of the things he said is that selling could be the easiest hard job you ever have, or the hardest easy job you ever had. The whole point of this book is about developing the skills and knowledge and drive to make you a top salesperson. And what would making you a top salesperson do for you? It would, if you just, you know, if you're in a sales job currently, it's going to separate you from the pack for sure. If you are in one of our direct selling companies, it is going to raise you to the income level that you're looking for. So let's talk about some of the advantages of selling first. And the reason he loves selling, and me too, is the freedom of expression. Sales is one of the few professions left in which you can be yourself and can, in essence, do what you want to do. This freedom you've won for yourself by successfully competing where resourcefulness and perseverance are demanded and highly valued. No activity is more vital to the economy's health than selling. No activity is more dependent on individual initiatives than selling. Second advantage. Second advantage of selling is that you have the freedom to become as successful as you'd like to be. There are no limits to your income. Now, if you are working in certain areas of sales, there might be sales caps and things like that. But if you get good enough, you graduate beyond positions like that, right? The third advantage of selling is that it is a daily challenge. You can go into almost any business and have no challenge. That's never the case in selling, where every day you're confronted with new challenges. Let that fact refresh you, not weary you. Glory in it. Our overregulated and highly organized society provides few lucrative work activities where the end of each day isn't known before the day dawns. You, us, are privileged to be involved in one of those precious few activities where freedom and challenge aren't rarities, they're constant companions. To the salesperson, whether you're selling insurance or cars or medical equipment, or whether you're in the direct sales business, every day is an adventure, right? Now, we do need to have structures in place so it's not a wild adventure and you go down rabbit trails and all that. But anyway, so every morning, tell yourself is a challenge, exciting, it's fun, and you're looking forward to it, right? Fourth advantage. The fourth advantage of selling is that it offers high potential returns from low capital investment. So, for instance, if you're in a direct sales business, your only cost of doing business might be a phone, an internet connection at home, product, whether it is samples or just your product that you get delivered to your house every month or every couple of months. But there are no big cost in getting started. It's not like going out and starting a McDonald's franchise, right? So, yeah, the fifth advantage of selling is that it is fun if you make it fun. If you're scared to death of it, well, that's one of the things that if you will dive into this book, and there's others out there, I happen to like this one, and I think the proof's in the pudding. If you look up Tom Hopkins, you will see that he's very well respected, and I think what he trains very much translates into the direct selling world. Sixth advantage of selling is that the selling profession is very satisfying. When you're feeling good that you have helped people achieve their goals and dreams, which in turn helps you fulfill your goals and dreams, that is very satisfying, right? Now, y'all hold on a second. Sorry, I lost my place there. Lots of benefits, right? So, what I would challenge you to do is, if you pick up the physical book, get it on Kindle, get it on Audible and Kindle together, and I would make a combination of reading this book at least 2 or 3 times a year and actually practicing what it talks about. I will be spending some time over the next couple of days getting more in depth on the actual nuts and bolts of it, but I truly believe, like I said, it's the direct selling industry, not the direct sharing industry. You better have some developed sales skills. And whether that is face-to-face, whether it's online, you better know what you're doing. You better know what you're doing, and if you can spend that time getting better, it is going to directly reflect in your net worth, and you'll be a better person for having learned this. So, hope you got something out of that. I'll be back covering more of how to master the art of selling, and hopefully we'll have some fun with this. You have a great day.